Okay, so we dropped these strawberries last night on the ground, and I didn't eat them because they fell on the ground. So what we're gonna do is, instead of throwing them away in the trash can, we're gonna put them in this dirt or this soil. Just put them between two pots and see if they can grow. Just gonna set them in there, space them out a little bit. I've never done this before, but we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna put one on the top layer. One more in the middle. I'm just kind of just doing anything right now. See if it works or not. Okay, then we're gonna take one more, put it in this one here. Then we're gonna do the same thing. Just kind of put them in there any kind of way. As you can see, I wasted a lot of strawberries, huh? But hopefully we can get more out of it. I'm gonna put one on the top layer again. And it's in a cool area, which is kind of what they like, strawberries, to be in a cool area. So we'll see how they do.